Attorney, what if patay na yung complainant sa criminal case? Magpapatuloy pa rin ba yung kaso? Depende to sa krimen na nakomit at depende sa available evidence. Now take note, if public crime yung nakomit tulad ng estafa or theft, ang state or ang Pilipinas, siya yung real offended party. Yung biktima dun sa krimen na yon, they're just considered as witness to the commission of the crime. Kaya nga yung title pag criminal case is People of the Philippines versus Juan de la Cruz. Okay? So now, if public crime yung nakomit at wala na or patay na ang complainant, magpapatuloy ba? Depende. Kasi if may available evidence, no, sufficient evidence to establish the guilt of the accused beyond reasonable doubt, then magpapatuloy pa rin yung kaso. So what if walang sufficient evidence? So kung walang sufficient na evidence, no, or mahina ang ebidensya at wala nang mga witnesses na magpapatunay dun sa commission of the crime, kadalasan nadidismiss yung kaso for failure to prosecute. Kasi nga, paano mapuprove or paano ma-establish ni fiscal yung guilt ng accused beyond reasonable doubt kung walang magte-testify or walang ebidensya. Okay? So I hope that's clear, and that's it for Let's Talk Legal with Attorney Zai.